Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use live captions in Windows 11 computer. Now for this, open Windows 11 settings. Now go to accessibility and then scroll down and click on captions. Over here you can see the option which says live captions. You can turn it on over here. And if you want to add different language, when you turn it on the bottom here you can see go to the settings icon and then you can go to caption language and then you can click on add a language. So if you have already installed the language, for example if you have installed Japanese, you can select Japanese. You can select the language from here to use the live caption for that language. If you have not installed, in that case you can click on add a language and then you can click on add a language. And for example, this is just an example. If you want Chinese, you can select Chinese and then click on next and install the language. Once it is installed, over here you will see your language over here and you can select the language. Now if you want to include microphone audio, you can go to preferences over here, click on the settings icon and then go to preferences and then select include microphone audio. Now once you select include microphone audio, over here you can see the captions. Now if you want to filter the profanity, you can select filter profanity, and if you want to change the caption style, you can click on it and then from this screen you can click on edit over here, and over here you can change the caption style if you want. Now you can go to position position over here. Now if you want to change the location, in that case you can go to position, and if you want above the screen you can select above screen, and if you want it below you can go to position and you can select below screen. If you want it to put it in the center, you can select overlaid on screen. So this is how you can change the position. I want it below screen for now. Now if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, in that case, but let me before that let me inform you that right now these are the list of language which you can use in live captions. So Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, Danish, Korean, and different types of English. So you can use live captions for these languages. These are the supported language right now. Now if you want to use the shortcut, let me close this first. If you want to use the shortcut, you can press Windows Control plus L key on the keyboard. So you can press the Windows key, the Control key, and then press L. Do not use the on-screen keyboard. This is just an example I'm just showing. Use the keyboard. So on the keyboard you have to press Windows Control and then press the letter L, and over here you can see the caption. So and you can select the language over here. If you want to include the microphone, you can select include microphone audio. So this is how you can use the live captions for different languages in Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.